This is Aidan from the Off-Grid Shop, and today we're going to talk about our Weekender. So this is our smaller off-grid system. Mike's going to give us a brief overview of what it can do. Go ahead, Mike.
Cool. So this is our little system. What it's designed to do is it's more for people that, we use 6 solar panels, a little 3 kVA inverter, 1 battery, one of the Power Plus batteries. It's more designed around just running your lights, TVs, fridges, and things like that. This system here, you can run a small electric benchtop oven, you can run a small induction cooktop. It is designed more at gas cooking, gas oven, gas heating, and things like that. This one here, you definitely would be able to have an electric hot water on it. You'd be going in gas hot water. This is targeted around the DIY, small cabin. This system here, you see in the middle, it's just a shipping container, 6 panels, 1 battery, and a 3 kVA inverter. So if you're looking at something for really small for your Weekender, this is ideal for that there.
Awesome, thank you, Mike. And guys, if you want to get in touch, check out the link in the description. Have a good day.